enjoy when you will learn English. So many teachers say communicate with other, communicate with friend. When you are with your friend, communicate in English, you will improve. Or if you get 1 hour free, read textbook. Also, when you are going by bus or train and watching something outside, you can narrate it. But I will say, when you will speak with your friend, you could not able to speak because you are not ready. You are not prepared for speaking. So, you have no data in your mind. In this way, if you process, you could not able to progress. You could not able to run. You need to ready first before speaking. How you will ready? This is the main process, I will say. Also, another topic, reading textbook. Some teachers say you read 1 and 2 hours English textbook or text story, you can revise 500, 1000 words in your mind. Also, I will say it is stressful. It takes more energy. It takes more energy. This is the reason you could not able to continue for a long time. It is stressful, and later you will quit it. In the same process, teachers say narrate or explain something when you are going to bus or you are watching something from window. But doing this, you need energy. You need extra energy. You need your extra intention. So, for doing this, you need more energy, and each and every day you could not able to continue. You can do for few days, but you can't do for more days. 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, you could not able to. You lose energy. So, I will say, try my process. Listen first before you are ready to speak. First, you listen. Easy to understandable audio book. It is easy to understandable audio story. Easy to understandable conversation. Or cartoon story. You can take from internet or TV channel. You can take very easy conversation from radio channel. You can record it. First find it, which time it's happened, and after that you record it. Put it in your mobile. All easy to understandable audio conversation. And listen 100 times, 200 times. You need to collect more audios. And reading 1 year, if you listen 2 to 3 hours, easy to understandable English. No need to think about English grammar. No need to think about English word, which sentence used. No need to think. Whatever true information, grammatical word you listened, after 1 year, automatically it will come from your mouth. Automatically it will come out. No need to think grammar rule. If you think grammar rule, you'll do a mistake. This process is enjoying. No need your extra energy. Just put your headphone in the ear and on your mobile audio conversation and listen when you are free. I will recommend you, don't walk when you listen. You need to listen and enjoy the English. You need to give more time. You need to involve in English speaking. You need to jump. This is the way. You need to accept whatever will be happen at the time of listening. You need to involve 100%. Gradually, automatically, and confidently, you will learn English. Your fear will be gone. You will not be hesitate. You will not think any English grammatical rule at the time of speaking. You will get a strong confidence. You can speak anybody around the globe. And even later, you will not lose your confidence. In the entire life, you will hold the confidence about English speaking. I assure you, take this process. Listen, easy to